In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana project management for beginners. Let's start right at the beginning with creating a new project inside Asana. First, log into your Asana account. Once you're on your home screen, look to the top left and find the Create button. Click that, and from the drop-down menu, choose Project. Asana will now show you a list of templates designed for different types of work. At the top, you'll see productivity templates. In that area, look for the project management template. Click it, review the quick preview so you know what you're getting, and then select Use Template. Next, you'll be asked to set up the basics of your project. Start by giving your project a clear, descriptive name so your team immediately understands what it's about. Then choose the privacy settings, deciding who should be able to see and access this project. When you're happy with that, click Next. Now set a start date and an end date for the entire project timeline. You'll also see an option to schedule tasks on weekends. Turn this on if your team works weekends, or leave it off for a standard weekday schedule. When everything looks good, click Create Project. Asana will now generate your project using the template. Wait for it to fully load. You'll see the layout divided into phases, typically something like planning, execution, and launch. These phases are just starting points. To rename a phase, click directly on the phase title and edit the text. If a phase doesn't fit your workflow at all, hover over its title, click the More Options icon, and choose Delete Section to remove it. Under each phase, you'll see a list of tasks. These are also just suggestions. Click on any task name to edit it so it matches the work you actually need to do. If a task isn't relevant, right-click on it and select Delete. To add new tasks, scroll to the bottom of the task list within a phase and click Add Task, then type the task name. Across the top of your task list, you'll notice columns like Asana, Due Date, Estimated Time, Priority, Status, Stage, and Workstream. To fill these in, click into any cell under a column and set the appropriate value. If there's a column you don't need, hover over the column name, click the small downward arrow on the right, and choose either Hide Column or Remove Field from Project. To add a new column, scroll all the way to the right until you see a plus icon, click it, and choose the new field you want. And that's it. You've created and customized a basic project management setup in Asana.